I didn't want to talk about this, but my friends were like, Ruby, if you don't tell them, how will they know? They might think all is well, meanwhile all is not well. So the thing is, it's about my movie. The movie I uploaded on Wednesday, Officer Mbeke. Before I uploaded this movie, I spoke with my editor. I asked him severally, I said, please, hope you did not use someone's sound in this movie. I hope so. I don't know how people will just be careless about people's things. I don't know how. But when it comes to theirs, they will know how to do it well. Someone will spend money to do something and we just use one little thing to spoil it for the person. How can you use someone's sound in my movie after warning you about it?
Chaii, my people, this one a sad end for Nollywood. Ruby Orjiokor don't come and begin they cry to the general public, say make we help her, say she can no longer take this thing any longer. As you all know, everybody for Nollywood now don't they find money, everybody don't turn producer. That's why she become produce something, spend a lot of money. Now so his editor made mistake, come put person sound for the movie. Una know say for this social media, every app they get their rules and regulation. So now so they take the video down. Video we don't clock almost millions of views. Now so they take the video down. She begin to cry, say make people help her. Say I only hope they for that movie. He can't they beg people, say make everybody go rewatch the movie again. Oh more no be small thing. I beg. The name of the movie now Officer Mbeke. If you never watch am, I beg rush go watch am. If you don't watch am before, I beg for the sake of too much money where she done spend, I beg go rewatch am. Una know say for this country economy hard. Talk more of when person do something, do business, now so the business go collapse. You know they make sense and you know they give joy. So I beg, I go play the rest of the video. Make una hear they cry, waiting she they beg una. I beg, share this video so that more people can see this video and watch her movies. If they don't watch them before, make they know say they don't take the video down, make they go rewatch the movie. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, follow this channel for more bringing news with the tutorial. But do know as you they do one for here. It's still I'm about girl Cindy. If this be your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Cindy Gist TV. Do well to like, share, comment. It they give me one kind of encouragement to continue. See you guys on my next episode. Let's listen to the rest of the video. Bye.
They are just like dummy. They're just waste. Like it didn't yield anything. It's just like I'm starting all over. Like I'm starting afresh again. So please, I just want to beg everybody. Please, I know this is a disturbance. Please, even if you've watched the movie before, please, can you help me and rewatch again? I know this is difficult. Can you please help me and rewatch again? Because the ones you start watching from today is the one that will count. The previous ones did not count. I beg in the name of God, please do this for me. When you do this for me, people you don't know from different parts of the world will come through for you whenever you need them the most. People you don't know from different parts of the world will come through for you when you need them the most. Guys, please, I need your help. If you've watched my movie before, Officer Mbeke, please just know that it did not count. It will start counting from today because they just rectified the issue yesterday. Please help me rewatch it again. I'm begging you. And if you've not watched it, please watch it. Please. 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 Thank you so much.